Alright, so today we'll learn how to make tea in microwave oven. First of all, we need a microwave dabba or something that we can cook on microwave. Now, we take some water and maybe 1 cup, if you need 1 cup tea, have currently whatever you want. Now, add some milk. Cool. You can add some sugar, whatever you like. If you like, maybe a spoon. Cool. 2, 3. Now, sugar is here. Now add some tea leaves. It's again on your preference how much you would like. I like hard, so I add some. Take this and put this in our microwave oven. Alright. Now set it for about a minute or 2. So we'll make it for maybe 2.5 minutes. Now let's see how our tea looks like. So it's looking good. Right? It sounds good. So good kind of sound we are getting. Now it's great. In the meanwhile, we'll put the boxes back. And close it. And close it with that. Now, put the tea back. Okay. I will leave good. Oh, this works. So it's boiling out, so you have to make sure that you look pretty closely because the milk inside will boil for sure. And you have to close it, size it right. And here's your tea. You're ready with your tea. Cool. Now, here's your tea.